Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to show you how to remake a Padlet wall. First of all, go to padlet.com. After that, you can click on to sign up for free if you are a first time user. Then you will get couple of options to sign up. Here I am going to use my Google account to sign up. Here I select. Then it will take you to home page of Padlet wall. Now here you will see number of options like make a Padlet, join a Padlet, gallery, and since we are using a basic version of Padlet, so it is asking to upgrade. So even if you want, you can upgrade it. Anyways, so you are not going to create a or make a Padlet. What you are going to do is you are joining a Padlet and you are posting your reflections, right? So what you can do is you must have already received the link which I shared with you. So click on to join a Padlet. After that, you can paste the link which I shared with you. So here you can paste it, then click on to submit. Now once it is submitted, so it will take you to this Padlet wall. Now here you need to post your reflections. Okay. So as of now, we are done with two topics from business communications. Right, business communication. So you can write reflections for making effective presentations and non-verbal communication. So in order to do so, what you can do is you can click on to this wall, anywhere on this wall, or you can click on to this plus button. Now you can write the title for your post. So for example, effective presentation skills. After that, you are free to add any kind of file or file type, but since we are using free version or basic version of Padlet, so there is limitation of 10 MB files. Okay, so we cannot exceed more than that. So it's always better to just write your post in the form of takeaways or learning for that topic. So you can start writing over here. Okay, so apart from that, if you want to upload something, you can upload from here. If you want to link something relevant to making effective presentation skills, even you can link it from here. If you want to Google and add something from here, you can do that. If you want to take a snap of yours, you can do that. Then apart from that, we have multiple options where we can upload number of files like draw, then screen, then voice, then film, then snap, then Google, then link. Okay, there are many. If you want to add some new Padlet wall, so even you can do that. So there are many options, but I would suggest you to go for just images or maybe post, maybe small video files, so that you do not exceed more than 10 MB, right? So here you can write your post and you are done with your post, right? So you can write in detail, right? After that, once you are done with this, now if you want to create new post, so again you can click somewhere here. Okay, then again you can give the title. For example, now I'm going to create a post for say NVC. So write NVC. After that, you can write your reflections or write your learnings or takeaway from for that topic. So this is how you can create it. Okay, so you need not to save it. Okay, it will save automatically, right? Changes are auto saved, right? So it is very simple to use. So this is how you need to prepare or you need to create posts for all the topics which we cover in business communication. I hope you found it very simple to use, and yeah, so it is very interesting actually. So you can showcase your reflections. Okay, even rest of your friends, okay, or classmates can view your wall, right? Yeah, so this is what you can do. Thank you for watching.